station, please.
Favorite chair in the living room?
Emma, can you take control of the table, please? When you do, let me know, okay? Emma, so you have control of the table? Okay, thank you, sweetheart. But thank you for bringing William through for Scott. Is there another spirit here that wants to communicate? Is it for someone that's at the table? The table to the person that spirit wants to communicate with. So is the spirit for Mike, Emma?
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Alright, so let's figure out who this is. What do you think, Mike?
Honestly, I don't know. It's pretty much in the past month. Everybody's came through once. My mom's come through. Granddad Simpson, which was on my dad's side. Grandma and Grandpa Summerfield. Is it? Well, I'll let you ask the question. Is it someone that hasn't come through before?
Isaac.
Is it? I'm sorry. I'll make it simple. Is it somebody new that wants to speak with me?
When they take it very literally, that comment new is like,
Yeah. That's why I'll let you guys ask the question. Someone that hasn't come forward before.
is this a woman? Is this spirit a woman that wants to communicate with God?
Okay, yeah, I can kind of break down the family. Ma'am, are you family? Okay.
Is this Mike's father?
Grandmother. Yeah. Oh, wow. You said they all came through?
Well, not my grandma from my dad's side.
Well, guess what? Now she has. What's her name?
I just remember Nona.
That would have been Italian grandma. Right?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
I think this is just a birthday wish.
Is it your birthday?
It was just.
Oh.
Thursday.
Oh,
Big
wow.
60. Well, Grandma Nona, thank you so much. I miss and love you. I'm going to talk to your son tomorrow, my dad. Do you spend time with your son, my dad? Thank you. I'm going to call him tomorrow. I did tell him, Nona, I did tell him when, as I call Granddad Simpson, your husband.
I didn't want to die.
Okay, thank you. I did tell him that. I know Granddad Simpson is always watching out for me. I know he doesn't particularly like the investigating, but he's one of my guardian
Grace.
angels. Thank you. And I have very fond memories of my grandma Nona, even though she passed away when I was fairly young. I want to say 7, 8.
I'm just amazed, Brother Scott and Mike have been picking up signals, being on the table, ready.
Thank you. So I appreciate the birthday wish. Have an amazing birthday with some amazing friends.